Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Oppo launched the Reno 5 series with a 5G and 90Hz OLED screen and 65 watt charging. The Reno 5 series is now live with the two initial models. They are nearly identical, with the chipset being the major difference. As expected, it's mix of Snapdragon and Dimensity. The phones will run ColorOS 11 based on the Android 11 out of the box. The Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus chipset, and it's coming in 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage configuration. The phone is available for pre-order starting at Chinese yuan 3,400, which is equal $520. The higher memory option will set you back Chinese yuan 3,800. The Oppo Reno 5 5G goes for the Snapdragon 765G chipset instead, but come with the same memory option: 8 GB, 128 GB, and 12 GB, 256 GB. This one is also up on a pre-order for price of Chinese yuan 2,700, equal $410. Chinese yuan 3,000 if you want the extra RAM and storage. Storage on a boot phone is UFS 2.1 with a 2-lens RAM user LPDDR4X chips. The Pro gets a faster RAM 3733 mHz 4x 16-bit compared to the non-Pro 2133 mHz 2x 16-bit. The display are the other notable difference between the two. The Pro model is equipped with the larger 6.55-inch panel, while the non-Pro phone gets a 6.43-inch panel. Both are OLED display with a 1080p plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate plus 180Hz touch sampling rate, but the Pro display has a higher brightness, 500 nits maximum, which is 430 nits. The camera department is built around 64 megapixel main module with f1.7 aperture electronic image stabilization. It is accompanied by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera plus two 2 megapixel module. Video recording is capped at 30 fps when shooting in 4K resolution on both phones. The selfie camera is embedded in a punch hole and has 32 megapixel sensor. It handles face unlock as an alternative to the in-display fingerprint reader. The Reno 5 Duo is equipped with a 4300 mAh battery, 16.64 Wh typical capacity. They support Super VOOC 2.0 charging, meaning 65 watt peak speed. They can also use USB power deliver and quick charger. Charge at 18 watt reverse charging is supported as well. Charging is done over the USB-C port, which double as a headphone jack on the Pro phones. Not so the non-Pro Reno 5. It has a actual 3.5mm headphone jack. The trade-off is that the Pro has a more advanced wireless connectivity, including Wi-Fi 6 and NFC, which is Wi-Fi 5 and no NFC. So both phones have 5G connectivity, as you can tell by their names. Though only the first of the two SIM slot support it, there is a no memory card slot. Oppo revoked the Reno glow finish for the back. The glass is etched to produce a pattern of microscopic pyramids, which creates a fingerprint resistant surface. Nano films with a different refractive indices are used to create a multicolor star field. For an extra fun twist, a fluorescent coating has been applied to the camera bump and other elements so they glow in the dark. The new models are available for pre-order in China from JD.com. You can find the Oppo Reno 5 5G as well as the Reno 5 Pro on the specific website, link in the description. So this is the latest Reno 5 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new series of Oppo? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.